Yo, what's up guys, Abod here and this is Whilelab YouTube channel. In this video you will learn about the locals function and the globals function. Those two functions are built in Python and they basically gives you access to all the variables, to all the local variables and to all the global variables. Let's see how they work. So basically I created this variable called I am a global variable. Now with this, if I commented this, we can print globals. Okay, and if I run this, as you can see here, we will get a bunch of built-in things like name, its main, and document, etc. But the thing is, here we can see that we have this variable called a, which is our a variable, and its value is I am a global variable. Now the thing is, right now, as we are still in the folder, okay, or we're creating a global variables, it really doesn't make any difference if we also, let's say, call the local variable and run the code. You would notice that both output, this and this, are basically the same. Now when difference happens is when we create a function, or when scope of variable changes. So right now, as you can see, here we have a, and it's defined as I am a local variable. Now if I remove this and this, and we uncomment this, so it runs this function and run the code now, you would notice that we will get a bunch of things, and that is first, okay, as you can see here, first we got the local variable, and as you can see, when calling locals within the function, we only get the variables that have been defined under the scope of the function that we're calling locals from. If we call globals, it always gives us the all variables. Okay, so as you can see here are all variables that are defined in the global scope. So as you can see here, this print variables, which is this function, is defined under the global scope. We have this I am a global variable, which is also defined in the global scope, and we have this function object, which is basically the print variables function. So to recap, we have the locals function, the globals function. If you call them from within the global scope, they both give the same result, but if you call them from a different scope, for example from within a function, if you call the locals function, you'll only get variables that have been defined under this scope. If you call globals, wherever you call globals, you'll always get the global variables. Hope you learned something new in this video, and make sure to hit that like button so we continue. And please wait, okay, and you'll see in the screen in a few moments suggested video by YouTube and the full playlist of 100 Python trick, so you can learn even more. So yeah, thank you for watching and peace out.